Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be, and obviously I didn't even prepare this very well, but we have gotten my Boxy charm. So Boxy charm has two different tiers. One is a base box, one is a premium box. The base box is $25 a month, where you get 5 to 6 items, genuinely 5 items. They're always full size, they're always glamorous, and they're always fantastic. And then you get premium, and premium is 6 to 7 items, and it can range in price, like, not in price, oh my gosh, but it can range where it can be themed sometimes, or it can just be high-end items. I believe this is my premium, but the way you know is once you open the box, the inside will either be blue or red. Red is usually your premium. And we do offer every 3 months a Luxe box, which is $50 a month, and it's like, just trust me, I love it. I do love it. So you can always check out any of my other videos. Make sure you click the down below and subscribe and do all that fun stuff, and you will be notified every single time I upload. I do unboxings for all kinds of boxes, so make sure you check those out. And in the description I do leave links to everything that I have gotten or currently get, and you can click those to hop on over and sign yourself up. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I have not even seen a spoiler to this. You see more than I do. So it says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. So the theme looks like it's going to be more of a glittery kind of camping and spa treatment. So let's see what I have inside. And of course this is the premium because it's blue. It says premium right there. So let's see what we got. The first item that I see is by Milk. Oh my goodness, I have not had a Milk eyeliner, and this says that it's worth $22. Let's pull it out. Oh, look at that. Now I have stuff on my hand from my last video, so let me see if I can get some of that off. I don't want to like have randomness all over at the same time. Ooh, look at that. Can you see? Oh, it goes on really smooth too. I like that. So that will be fun. Longwell gel eyeliner. That I love. Okay, let's put this. I don't need that tube right now. We'll put that up there. Why did I have to get that? That makes me kind of sad. Okay, so the next item that I have in here is by Sunday Riley. This is kind of big. This says it's worth $65, which I would believe it is. And it is a hydration cream, which, to be honest, I do love hydration cream. So out of everything else, this could have been, this is not bad. However, to be fair, I do have one of these in small. That's okay. Oh, it smells like oranges or pineapple or citrus. Okay, it says vitamin C. Well, that's probably why it smells like vitamin C. Rich hydration cream. Deeply hydrates, visibly brightens sun, and provides advanced antioxidant support. Formulated with THD associate and a powerful, stable, and targeted vitamin C that provides and repairs the skin. To be fair, I do like hydration creams. I wear them often. I stand by them. I tell all my friends and everything that what they really need is a really good hydration cream. So I do love hydration cream. So. And this box, let's just talk about, holy smokes. It's a nice box. Okay, so moving on. I could have done without this, I'm not going to lie. But it is a Daily Concepts brush. It's got the little Umaflotchies in here. Where did I put that little knifey thing? But yeah, it's supposed to be like with natural bristles and whatnot, and the little snubby things, and I don't know. It's a brush. It says $18. And then I got Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I thought I asked for the whatever. Oh, maybe I didn't ask for anything with this box, and I just let it pick. So I did get it in translucent, which is good because I'm really at the core pale. I do like the lid. I'm confused. Give me a second. Oh, look at that. It's got like a heart. That's so cool. I don't know why I smelled it. It's not going to smell. It's just setting powder. Okay, so this item is by MAC, and it's a satin lipstick in Verve, which means it's going to be dark. I have a feeling it's going to be dark. Here's the thing. I hate to be the bearer of really bad news, and I understand why people, they put them in here and people love them, but to be honest, I am not a lipstick person. I think I could wear it lightly. It doesn't have to be dark, but it could be dark. I mean, and to be fair, it's actually more dark in person than it is on camera. That being said, here's what it looks like. Let's see if I can get this up there. That being said, it's not bad. It's just I don't wear lipsticks. And the last item. Let's get this. Remove this. It's in its own bubble wrap. It is by Ciate London, and it's the Editor Palette. New England. 18 eyeshadows. It is $32. So let's see. I didn't say what this one is. Milk Max is 19, and this is 33, which is way too much for setting powder, if you ask me. 65 and 18, and then this is 22, and this is 32. So, and ooh, this is kind of pretty. These are the colors, and I like that it's got a lot of little glittery ones in it, as well as matte. I am a shimmer queen. Let's see if the pigment holds up. Of course, it doesn't tell me any of the colors, so we'll go with this one right here. That's kind of a ready pink. Ooh. And then we will do a matte pink, which I will put right beside this. So, and then let's try this right here. Reminds me of when they say emerald slippers or emerald anything. So those are kind of pretty. They're like really pigmented. Here, let's get the yellow brick road right beside the Emerald City, and we must swipe one of these blues. I don't even care if it's a matte. Like, it is so pigmented. Like, so I do like this eyeshadow palette. I do have eyeshadow now literally everywhere. This is great. Oh, and it stays. Oh, it stays a little bit. Okay. Now it's just not going to get on my white blanket. That's all that matters to me. So that is what I got in this box. Let me move this one. Overall, not bad box. I mean, I only got one skincare item and then a brush. I mean, it's kind of nice to be able to get a tool. All together, let's see if I can do this math really quick, is 97, 100, 30, 49, 50, 71, 9, 79, 89, so like 100 and, yeah. Yeah, almost $200. Maybe falls a little short of the 200, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items right there. They're all full size. They're all beautiful, and that is my Boxy charm for this month. So make sure if you do like what you see, or it does look interesting, that you click down below. Like I said, I pay for all of my boxes myself. I am not sponsored in any way. I get no PR. So anybody that clicks on my links some of them do help me out a little bit. And that's kind of nice because, yeah, I'm kind of broke. But this is my hobby. I do work full time. So, but if you enjoy this or any other box, make sure you click the description. And as always, I will see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye. I'm such a hot mess.